Hello, this is Patrick Owen Tolentino, nickname Taguro from Batch 5. And may question lang po. Nabiktima ka na ba ng ghosting? Alam mo yung biglaan na lang nawala, walang closure, walang paliwanag. Masakit, hindi ba? Kasi as humans, sinahanap natin yung someone na consistent, present, at hindi nang iiwan. Pero today's devotion reminds us of something powerful. Colossians chapter 1 verse 15. He is the image of the invisible God, the firstborn over all creation. Sa mundo kung saan madalas tayong i-ghost ng tao, may Diyos na hindi nang iwan, at paano natin malalaman yon? Through Jesus. So, sabi sa Bible, Jesus is the image of the invisible God. Ibig sabihin, kung gusto mong malaman kung ano si God, tignan mo si Jesus, kung paano siya magmahal, kung gaano siya katapat, kung paano siya magpatawad, and kung gaano siya ka-consistent. Jesus shows us exactly who God is. At kung napapagod ka na kasi pa ulit-ulit kang sinasabihan ng I'm here for you, pero nauna pa silang mag-disappear. Look to Jesus, hindi siya naglalaho, hindi siya lumalayo, hindi siya nagsasabi ng promise, tapos iiwan ka lang sa ere. And actually, habang lahat ng tao is nang iwan, siya yung kumakatok habang lahat lumalayo. Siya yung lumalapit habang feeling mo invisible ka. Si Jesus yung nagsasabing, I see you, I know you, and I love you. Kung pagod ka na sa mga taong pa-bago-bago, if you're tired of being ghosted, and ayun, kung pagod ka na being ghosted emotionally, relationally, or spiritually, gusto kong paalalahanan ni Lord ngayon, kung kaya mo today is try mo sabihin kay Lord na Jesus is salamat na ikaw ang hindi naglalako. Teach me to trust you more than the people who keep disappearing. And bago tayo magtapos, gusto kitang iwanan ng ilang tanong na pwedeng makatulong para mas para mas tumatak itong message sa puso mo. And please take a moment and reflect on these questions. So, saang area ng buhay mo na naramdaman na parang na-ghost ka? Is it relationship, friendship, or family, or even sa faith mo? Bring that honestly kay Lord. So, paano pinakita ni Jesus na siya ang tunay na faithful at hindi nang iwan? Siguro think of these moments where you felt His comfort, provision, or presence. And next is, ano ang isang bagay na kailangan mong isurrender kay Jesus dahil takot kang maiwan or siguro ma-reject? Siguro fear, trust issues, or overthinking. Lay it at His feet. So, ayun lamang po. Thank you for watching and listening. Again, I'm Taguro from Batch 5. Thank you. God bless po.